Hi everybody, welcome to my first YouTube video ever made. First of all, thank you so much for clicking that thumbnail. I'm sure a lot of you people will be moving to a different city for your college. And first of all, I wish all of you get your dream colleges, your dreams in your dream city. And even if you don't, trust me, it's not the end of your life. It's all okay. Trust me, you'll figure this out. मैंने किया है, आप भी कर लोगे. Don't worry. So let's start with the points. First of all, know that your first friend group, yes, the first friend group you make, does not necessarily need to be your friends for the rest of your college life. It's okay. You can change your friend circle anytime you feel like. You do not need to stick with them for all your college life. If you don't feel like you don't belong there, if you feel like you belong somewhere else, you can always change your friend group. Do not stick to somewhere you don't belong. You don't feel like you don't belong. Trust me, it's just gonna ruin your college life if you stick around people where you don't feel like sitting with them, when you don't like, just don't vibe with them. It's not necessary that you stick with them for the rest of your life. It's your life. You can always change your group, always change your circle, always choose a new group of friends. You do not need to stick where you don't feel like. Now, the second point is, do not try to pay for anything and everything. Yes, I'll tell you. Pay for your share. Or if you want to pay for your friends, like if you want to do it like some kind gesture, or if you feel like, yeah, they are my friends, I can pay. Remember that you have paid for them, and just make sure that they pay for you for the next time. It's not necessary. Do not try to become their wallets. Okay, it's not needed. You are not earning. Okay, you do not need to pay for anything or everything. You do not need to. That's just gonna break your friendship. Just if you like, also do not become that friend who does not pay for anything. Like, no, just keep that balance, that you pay for something, they pay for something, or you pay for your share only and they pay for their share. It's not necessary that you pay for anything and everything your friend group buys. And if you go anywhere, do not try to pay for anything. Just pay for your share. You are not earning. Nobody else is earning there. You are all students. Pay for your stuff only. Now the next point is, be friends with people whose spending capacity is approximately as same as you. Now this may sound a little weird, but let me explain. Try to be friends with people who spend money as much as you do. Like if you have a friend जिसकी spending capacity बहुत ज़्यादा है, okay? So they pay way too much. They are like they spend way too much than you do. It's not gonna be a good friendship. You'll always feel the pressure. You'll always feel that need कि oh मुझे और spend करना है, because you're always with them, surrounded with them, and they are like they have that spending capacity. They have that money. They can spend. That's their normal, but that's not your normal. So you'll always be in that pressure कि oh इतना खर्चा करना है यार, या फिर you'll always feel like कि अरे यार मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, इसके तो इतने पैसे आते हैं, मेरे पास पैसे कम है. You'll always be in that pressure, and it's not good for yourself. It's not something कि it's just not gonna be a good friendship, just not gonna be a good circle if they spend way more than you. Like इतना is okay, but if they spend like उनका expenditure इधर है, तुम्हारा इधर है, ये balance आएगा ही नहीं कभी. I had a roommate. I used to live with a roommate जिसकी spending capacity मेरे से काफी ज़्यादा थी. That was always a problem for me, because वो रूममेट है तो ऑब्वियसली शी विल हैव टू लाइक, उसकी कैपेसिटी ही ज्यादा है, उसका लाइफस्टाइल इज वेरी डिफरेंट देन मी. अगर वो यहाँ खर्चा कर रही है एंड मेरे पास इतना ही है, तो आई ऑलवेज फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल दिस इज ऑल्सो अ प्रॉब्लम, बिकॉज शी विल ऑलवेज बी इन अ प्रेशर टू लाइक अपना उसको लाइफस्टाइल गिराना पड़ेगा टू बी विद यू. उसको यहाँ खर्चा करना पड़ेगा, राइट, और मेरे को यहाँ, राइट. तो इट्स नॉट गुड फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू. आप अगर आपके जो एक्सपेंसेस हैं और आप जिसके साथ रह रहे हो, योर फ्रेंड्स, उनकी कैपेसिटी बहुत कम है, देन इट इज ऑल्सो नॉट फाइन फॉर यू. यू कैन नॉट हैंग आउट विद पीपल हु कैन नॉट स्पेंड एज मच एज यू डू. दैट्स जस्ट नॉट अ गुड बैलेंस. It's not gonna be. This just doesn't go well in a long run. This doesn't go well. Now the next point is build yourself, your character, everything. College years are for self growth. Anything, you can always change your personality. तुम्हारे स्कूल में कुछ पर्सनैलिटी थी, it does not need to be your personality in your college life. You can always change your personality as you want it to. Change whatever you want to change. You can always change your dressing sense. You can always change how you talk or how you listen. Everything जिसके साथ बैठते हो, your habits, you can always change all of that if you want to. And trust me, for your self growth, it is needed. It is needed. You can not always stay as you were. Growth is the only constant, you know. Growth is the only constant. You do not need to be in a pressure कि oh मैं तो स्कूल में ऐसा था तो कॉलेज में भी मैं ऐसा. Play with yourself. You can always play with your growth. You can always जैसा आप चाहते हो, however you want yourself to be, उस पे work करो. Do not worry about what they say, what this. Do not worry about anybody or everybody else. मैं बहुत ज़्यादा फंबल कर रही हूँ, but do not worry about that. समझ रहे हो? You do not need to be in a constant pressure कि whatsoever. If you feel like मुझे बैडमिंटन खेलना है, go for it. If you feel like कि यार मुझे YouTube चैनल create, go for it. You have to do whatever you want to. Do not think अरे यार तुम पता है तुम आज से 3 साल बाद 2 साल बाद रिग्रेट कर रहे होगे कि ओ यार ये मेरे पास कॉलेज लाइफ, इवन इफ मैं जो भी चीज़ें थी मैं अपनी कॉलेज लाइफ मैंने बिगाड़ दी, ये कर दी वो कर दी. मैं ऑलवेज मैं ये कर सकता था, मैं ये कर सकती थी. काश मैंने बैडमिंटन ट्राई किया होता, काश मैंने क्रिकेट ट्राई किया होता, काश मैंने यूट्यूब चैनल, काश मैंने कंटेंट क्रिएशन स्टार्ट किया होता. जस्ट गो फॉर इट. यू वांट टू गो टू जिम, गो हिट द जिम. व्हाट इज स्टॉपिंग यू? इट्स लाइक यू डू नॉट नीड टू बी इन अ सर्कल जो मतलब खुद ही बना के रखा है तो तुमने यार. नोबडी एक्सपेक्ट्स यू टू बी exactly same, and if they do, if there are people around you who are who have a problem with your growth, they are not your friends, they are not your real friends, they are not your real whatever, not your real relatives. They do not want good for you, because change is the only constant, and they know that as you grow you change. You do not have to be जैसे आप थे वैसे ही सारी जिंदगी रहना. It's not needed. और मैं like this is simply a thing. You do not need to be एकदम उसमें बंद के रहना. इट्स नॉट नीडेड. अपने आप पे वर्क करो. वॉट एवर यू फील लाइक मुझ में ये कमी है उस पर वर्क करो, मुझ में वो कमी है उस पर वर्क करो. वर्क ऑन एनीथिंग यू वांट टू वर्क ऑन योरसेल्फ. एकदम सिर्फ एक चीज में मत घुसे रहो कि मेरे को पढ़ना है. एक वो improve your communication skills. if you want to improve your listening skills, do that. Do not become a bookworm. Everything matters. योर होल पर्सनैलिटी मैटर. सिर्फ ये मैटर नहीं करता है कि आप कितना पढ़ते हो, ओ एकदम मैं नोटबुक में लगा रहता हूँ, घुसा रहता हूँ. इट डज नॉट मैटर. इट्स नॉट नीडेड. यू शुड हैव अ पर्सनैलिटी. अपने कैरेक्टर डेवलपमेंट करो यार, अपनी पर्सनैलिटी बनाओ. गो डू व्हाट यू वांट टू. कि हाँ तुम अभी कॉलेज में हो तो उसके साथ साइड हसल तुमको जो करना है डू इट. जस्ट डू इट. एटलीस्ट यू हैव ट्राइड. मेरा बस सिंपल ये रहता है. आई यूज्ड टू फियर अ लॉट अबाउट दिस थिंग्स कि लोग क्या कहेंगे एंड ऑल, बट अब मुझे ऐसा लगता है ना it's okay यार. If I tried, I won. I do not need to have a medal to like कि मैं पूरे ऐसे बैकग्राउंड में इधर सजाऊं to show you कि जैसे I have listened, I have won this, I have won that. I do not need to do that. If I have tried something I wanted to, I have won in life. As simple as that. If you try something you want to, you won in life. As simple as that. Do not think कि मैंने ट्राई किया और मैं फेल हो गया. तुम उस फियर से लड़े. You fought that fear of what people are gonna say about me if I fail. That's the real win. That is the real win, my brother or my sister. The last point is do not engage in bad habits. Do not be around people who smoke, drink or do stuff. एक दो दिन का फन is gonna ruin your whole life, because it's not as simple as you think कि हाँ आज पी लिया है और whatever बस आज ट्राई किया है. और मैं there's a complex in people's mind कि यार मैं तो जब चाहूँ तब छोड़ दूंगा. It's not that easy. अगर ऐसा होता तो एडिक्ट्स नहीं होते ना दुनिया में अभी. This would not even be a problem if it was that easy. कि हाँ आज मैंने छोड़ दी तो I'll just do. It's not that easy. Do not engage in such activities. They are gonna ruin your life. Trust me, you'll always regret it. Do not try. Try to do things that do not make you regret. Do not engage in such activities. As simple as that. Do not try to be around people. Oh हाँ ये तो क्योंकि बहुत ज़्यादा cool लगता है. It is not cool. First of all, it is not cool. It does not look cool. Ew, it does not look cool. I'm sorry. If you drink, if you smoke, it does not look cool. Any kind of stuff you do, it does not look cool. It does not. As simple as that. And just keep these things in your mind. These simple things, 4-5 points I have, I think, pointed out. And do not worry about kya hoga, kal kya hoga, parso kya hoga. Okay, you'll figure this out. It's your life. You can live, or you can always live on your own terms, in your way, as however you want to. Just live like that. Do not worry about anything and everything. लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये क्या कहेगा, वो क्या कहेगा. They do not matter. Only you matter. You matter the most, because this is your freaking life. Okay. Also, I'll probably be making part 2 of this video, because मेरे पास ऐसे बहुत सारी चीजें हैं बोलने के लिए. These were the points जो I think सबसे पहले मेरे दिमाग में आई. So I just pointed these things out. If you if you are interested, please hit subscribe button. Do comment your college name. I'll be really happy to read them out. Be safe. Don't worry. Okay. Bye bye. Bye.